In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar to efficiently manage your upcoming flights. If you're someone who's always on the go or just wants to stay organized, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll cover setting up your flight details, ensuring that you never miss those important takeoff times again. First things first, I want you to navigate to Google Calendar. If you're unfamiliar with it, Google Calendar is a powerful tool that can help you organize and manage your schedules in a seamless way. Once you're there, what you need to do is identify the date of your flight. This is essential because all the following steps hinge on selecting the correct time and date. Click and drag on the timeline to block out the duration of your flight. You should see a new event window pop up after this action. Now, in this new event window, it's time to type in your flight details. Under the title section, input the flight number and airline to make it easily identifiable. This isn't just for aesthetics. Labeling your events clearly ensures that you can quickly check your calendar at a glance for important information. Additionally, you can use this space to include any other pertinent information such as the terminal or gate number if available. Next, we move on to an important feature, adding a location. You might wonder why this is necessary. Adding a location pinpoints exactly where your flight departs from and helps you generate notifications related to travel, such as potential delays based on traffic conditions if you've synced with your other Google services. In the event window, you'll find an option labeled Add Location. Click on it to populate your event with the departure airport. Make sure it's accurate so Google can handle the rest when it comes to time estimations. With the location added, there's just one more crucial step, saving your event. It might seem simple, but this is what secures all the details you've just input. At the top of the event window, make sure you find and hit the Save button. Once saved, your Google Calendar will reflect the flight details you entered, readily accessible anytime you need them. And that's all there is to it. This quick and easy process ensures that your travel itinerary is organized, accessible, and integrated with the rest of your schedule. Just remember, taking a few minutes to set this up can save you a lot of hassle later on and keep you on top of your travel plans. So, the next time you book a flight, give these steps a try and enjoy a more organized approach to managing your travels. Happy flying, and see you next time.